Ancient civilizations framed the world as we know it today, and history places Pakistan at a central position on World Heritage Map. People in the ancient settlements of Mehergarh or the city-states of Indus Valley would run their affairs without any potentates. Later on, Gandhara emerged as a major center of arts, crafts and science in the ancient world. With the objective of highlighting the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in cooperation with the provincial governments, has organized the exhibition Ancient Pakistan. Artifacts and paintings displayed at the exhibition represent the three major civilizations, including Mehergarh, Indus Valley and Gandhara, which emerged in the region consisting of Pakistan today. The inauguration ceremony of exhibition Ancient Pakistan started with the recitation of Holy Quran. In his opening remarks, Foreign Secretary Mr. Azaz Ahmed Chaudhry welcomed the participants and also thanked the organizing committee of the exhibition as well as the partners including both federal and provincial departments.
A very warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration of this exhibition called Ancient Pakistan. The spirit of accommodation and acceptance is in fact our strength, and today's show is a reminder of this fact.
Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Foreign Affairs Syed Tariq Fatmi emphasized on the pluralistic and diverse nature of the civilizations which emerged in ancient Pakistan.
Let us, as the inheritors of this rich civilization, show ourselves capable of learning from that richness that has been our legacy.
Advisor to the Prime Minister on Foreign Affairs Mr. Sartaj Aziz threw light on the richness of Pakistan's cultural heritage.
Exhibition Ancient Pakistan is not merely a display of artifacts and antiquities. It is a narration of history of an ancient people who inhabited the meadows, fields, mountains, deserts, hills, valleys of this country.
Minister for Information and Broadcasting Senator Parvez Rashid, who was also the guest of honor, applauded the effort of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in promoting the positive image of Pakistan by arranging the exhibition Ancient Pakistan.
Pakistan is a prehistoric land. The contribution of ancient Pakistan to development of human civilization is well recognized around the world. The celebration of ancient Pakistan by our Ministry of Foreign Affairs is indeed a praiseworthy initiative.
Ministry of Foreign Affairs also published a booklet named Ancient Pakistan containing all the artifacts showcased in the exhibition along with their brief description. Exhibition Ancient Pakistan formally inaugurated by the guest of honor, Senator Parvez.
I won't say it difficulties, I would say challenges. When the Foreign Secretary asked us to prepare this exhibition, the most important thing for us was where to get artifacts. As you know, we have now the provincial departments of archaeology also working as well as at the federal level. So we had to interact and we had to create linkages with all these museums all around Pakistan, at Karachi, Harappa, Taxila, Peshawar, etc. So that was one challenging part, how to bring everyone on board for this wonderful event where we planned to showcase Pakistan's ancient heritage and ancient civilizations. So that was, once that step was overtaken, then things started getting better, and then it was the logistical part which we managed to do over the weeks and over the months, and this thing went very well.
There were three main objectives behind this effort, behind this exhibition and project. We wanted to basically reaffirm our proud ownership of our ancient past and our ancient heritage. We also wanted to project the image of Pakistan and to identify new avenues of cooperation based on culture and archaeology with other countries, particularly the regional countries.
Evidence of Paleolithic age was recorded both in southern and northern Pakistan. Mehergarh was one of the earliest Neolithic settlements in Pakistan. Dating back to 7000 BC, numerous burials have been found at Mehergarh, many with elaborate goods. From approximately 3000 BC, Indus Valley emerged in ancient Pakistan as one of the four mature civilizations of the world. Mohenjo-daro, its prime city, was the most advanced in contemporary South Asia. The city was governed as a city-state, as no evidence of kings and queens has been discovered either in Mohenjo-daro, in Sindh or Harappa. After Mehergarh and Indus Valley, Gandhara, which attained height between 1st to 5th centuries, is yet another landmark on Pakistan's archaeological landscape. Gandhara had a prominent position at a crossroads. Taxila, the ancient city of Gandhara, has been described as the wealthiest in contemporary South Asia. Analysts are of the opinion that one of the world's earliest universities was established at Taxila, and it existed in the 8th century BC.
I'm very amazed by this exhibition because it's very diverse. It shows all the ancient civilizations that have been there, from Mehergarh to Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Gandhara, everything.
This is a wonderful initiative by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in depicting Pakistan's ancient culture and civilization.
Ministry of Foreign Affairs present Pakistan history, culture in good gesture to all other nations, and I'm really happy to be a part of this Pakistan Zindabad.
Well, it's a very interesting exhibition. I think it's very nice to have from so many different museums of Pakistan very important pieces that we can see in one time.
It's a wonderful function. I think all credit goes to the Foreign Ministry because they arrange such kind of event for the foreigners to show their cultures.
Ancient sources of Pakistan's culture and civilization have created an inevitable cultural empathy between Pakistan and almost all the countries of Central, South and East Asia. With such a unique national identity, Pakistan today is prepared to play its role in creating new connections and strengthening the existing ones, and help trigger movement for a long-lasting peace and sustainable development in the region and beyond. This indeed is the message of exhibition Ancient Pakistan.